Hey Mark, I'm here with the Bud Anderson guys.
Hey Dave.
These guys are here today to get an old, really inefficient system taken out and a brand new, super efficient system put in, and you're gonna love it because it's a Daikin.
Let's take a look at what they're replacing.
Yeah, I mean, it's old, inefficient, and really loud.
So this is a Daikin FIT inverter heat pump. You recall that big, loud outdoor unit up there? So that's exactly what it's replacing. What's amazing with those systems is you can mount them on brackets.
All right, so this is what most people know of as a furnace.
Except that we call it an air handler. It replaces the furnace in the winter,
Sure.
and then we can use it as an air conditioner in the summer.
Okay.
The thing is, this unit is connected through a small copper tube to the outside unit, and that's how we extract heat from the outside. From there, we distribute the air through the house through a ductwork.
So it's basically 2-in-1.
3-in-1. Heating, cooling, and high efficiency filtration.
So Mark, because of the vaulted ceiling in here, we've decided to go with a Daikin ductless mini split.
You've done really well on this one. Ductless now, they're often thought as, solving a problem for an add-on or a system that doesn't have ductwork. Now they're evolving actually to cooling and heating the entire house. This is a heat pump as well, right? So it does both.
Everyone has that room in that house that certain times of the year, it's just not comfortable.
I can guarantee it, your problem was more about humidity or humidity removal rather than straight heating and cooling. In a lot of cases, what homeowners do, you can lower down, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hit that thermostat until you lower to like 66 degrees. That's so inefficient. Inverter heat pump will draw humidity out continuously from the house.
To see and learn more, visit sustainabilityseries.com.